Hello everyone, so I'm going to show you how to digitize your worksheets, whether it is math or history or whatever subject. You can digitize these worksheets and make it fillable and create an assignment, submit it to your students so they can be filled out in Google Classroom. So I have an example here. It's a simple math worksheet and I want to make this fillable. I'm going to be using Google Slide to make this fillable, and I'm going to be showing you step by step on how it's done. I have this open in PDF, but you can have this in a Word document. So what I need to do, I need to create a picture of this worksheet. Now, you can do this with your phone if you have a worksheet on a piece of paper, and all you have to do is take a picture of it and open it up in your computer, and you can make it fillable. You can also scan a worksheet into your computer and do the same. I am using a Windows 10 computer. So Windows 10 has a built-in program called the Snipping Tool. So I will show you how to use that. Now you want to go to search and type in Snipping Tool. Click on it, it's open. Click New. Select the worksheet. The entire worksheet, and release the mouse, and it's cut out. Now you need to save this into an image file. So go to File, Save As. I'll type in a name. It's a math, so I'll type math. It is saved as a PNG picture file. Click Save. I saved it to my desktop. I'll minimize this. This is the worksheet. It's in a picture file now, and that's what I want. Now I need to go to my Google Drive. I am logged in as a teacher. This is my Google Drive. I want to open Google Slides. Click on Google Slides. Click on a blank presentation. Now I want to change the name of this slide. I'm going to say just math. You can type whatever you want there. So I need to change the size of this page. I want to go to File, scroll down to Page Setup, click on the drop-down menu, click on Custom. I'm going to change this to 8.5 by 11. Click Apply. So I want to delete these two boxes. Just highlight the edges and hit delete on the keyboard. Do the same here. Now it's nice and blank. Now on the top menu here, you do not want to use insert the picture image. Instead you want to use background, so it cannot be removed. So click on background, choose image. Now I have the file on my desktop, so I'll go to browse, This is the file. Click open. Click done. Now this is my worksheet. It is filled in as a background on Google Slide. I can just zoom this. Now to make this fillable, on the top menu, click on text box and just drag and create a text box right on top of the line. That's how you create a text box. Now you can adjust this. You can make it longer, shorter, or adjust the entire box, make it higher or lower. Now I'll create another text box here. Now to make it the process faster, I use copy and paste. So just highlight the text box on your keyboard, Control C for copy, and then Control V for paste, and it creates another text box. Do the same thing, Control V on your keyboard again, it creates another one. Again, and here. Just place it here. And you do this all through where the answer is needed. Now this is already being saved in my Google Drive. So if I go to my Google Drive, it's here. Now I want to submit this to the students through my Google Classroom. So this is my Google Classroom. I want to click on classwork, click on create, click on assignment. Now this is a new assignment. I'm going to type a title, which is math. The instructions, you can type anything you want. I'm going to say please complete. Click on add. So the worksheet is in my Google Drive. Click on Google Drive. This is it. I'm going to double click on it, and it's here. Now this is very important. This is given rights to the students. So if you click on this drop down menu, there are three. So the first one says students can view file. This means the student can only view the file. They cannot edit the worksheet. They cannot fill any answers on the worksheet. So you don't want to choose that. The second one says students can edit the file. This means that the student can edit the entire document. They can change the wording of the entire document. You don't want that. What you want is to make a copy for each student. So I'm going to select that. And on top, click assign. So now this has been assigned to my students through Google Classroom. So I'm going to log in as a student, and you're going to see how it looks on their side. So on the student side, this is how it looks. The student receives the email. I'm going to open up the assignment here. This is the assignment. I'm going to zoom this. Now all the student has to do, just type in the answer. and the student cannot edit anything here. They can only type in the answer boxes the answers. So I hope this video was helpful to you, and I thank you for watching. Please comment, hit that subscribe button,